The new GLA, the eighth model to join the lineup, represents the gateway into the brand's successful family of SUV models. The character has been significantly reinforced here compared with the previous model. The height of the new GLA, at 63.5 inches with standard roof rails, exceeds that of its predecessor by more than 3.9 inches. The correspondingly higher and characteristic SUV seating position also comes with more headroom in the first row. Legroom in the rear is also much more generous, even though the GLA is now 0.6 inches shorter. Typical off-road design features include the upright front section, short overhangs at the front and rear, and protective cladding. 4MATIC models feature the off-road engineering package as standard, which comprises an additional driving program, a downhill driving assist function, and an off-road animation in the media display, along with, in combination with the LED intelligent light system, a special light function for off-road driving. The new GLA makes a further step in terms of safety, courtesy of its driver assistance systems with cooperative driver support. The enhanced functions of the driver assistance package include, for example, the exit warning function alerting the driver to approaching cyclists or vehicles, and a warning when pedestrians are detected near crosswalks. The GLA is able to react when the driver doesn't. Active brake assist is charged in many situations with applying autonomous braking to avoid a collision or to reduce its severity. The system can also brake at a speed of up to approx. 37 miles per hour for stationary vehicles and pedestrians crossing the road ahead. Depending on the situation, this even prevents collisions up to a speed of 31 miles per hour. With a powerful and efficient 4-cylinder engine, the latest driver assistance systems with cooperative driver support, and the MBUX infotainment system with intuitive operation, the new model has all the strengths of the current generation of compacts from Mercedes-Benz. The new GLA combines the best from the two highest volume segments: the compact cars and the SUVs. The SUVs are a major structural pillar in the Mercedes-Benz product portfolio and now represent the highest volume segment for Mercedes-Benz. To date, more than 6.5 million customers around the world have opted for a Mercedes-Benz SUV. The instrument panel consists of a basic volume, which features optical cutouts in the driver and front passenger area. The cutout on the driver's side is dominated by the freestanding display unit, which is available in two variants. With two 7-inch displays and in the widescreen version, with two 10.25-inch displays. On the passenger side, the cutout area is finished with a trim element. The round ventilation outlets, 5 of them in all, feature a high-quality turbine look with meticulously designed air guidance vanes. The door center panel flows seamlessly over into the armrest. The grab and assist handle has a tubular profile and runs horizontally like a railing. Included as standard is the intuitively operated MBUX infotainment system. The powerful computer, brilliant screens and graphics, customizable presentation, full-color head-up display, navigation with augmented reality, learning software, and voice control activated with the prompt "Hey Mercedes" are several key advantages of the system. Although shorter than its predecessor on the outside, the new GLA offers a more spacious interior. This is particularly true of the legroom in the rear and the trunk space. The seating position for both the driver and the front passenger is higher and more upright than in the predecessor model, and thus more typical of an SUV. The driver and front passenger sit 5.5 inches higher than in the A-Class. All-round visibility has also been improved in comparison with the previous model, mainly due to an optimized cross-section for the roof pillars, which now block out less of the surrounding area. Utility value was, in general, one of the focuses of development. The rear seats can be optionally adjusted by 5.5 inches, and the rear seat backrest set to a steeper rake, making room for items such as bulky boxes. The rear seat can be split 40-20-40, with each section folding down individually for maximum flexibility. The height-adjustable load floor, which comes as standard, offers considerable variability. When the rear seat backrests are folded down and the load floor is in the upper position, an almost flat loading area extending to the front seats can be created. For very bulky objects, the load floor can be put in the lower position, the cross member behind the rear seats can be removed, and the rear seats with optional fore-aft adjustment can be moved forward. The new GLA places its trust in a 4-cylinder gasoline engine that was completely modernized for the new edition of the compact model series. In comparison to the previous generation, it is characterized by increased output and improved efficiency and emissions. A locally emission-free model with third-generation plug-in hybrid drive system is already being prepared.